Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to analyze and how to make profit in binary option trading. Okay, um, I got so many requests on my YouTube channel in the comment section that I should explain more about. Uh, I should explain more about my trading. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you two ways you can trade binary option and make profit in binary option. Two ways. The first, you have to trade using the 1 minute candle. Okay, you can see it right here. You can see right here. The chart type I use is the candlestick, and I set it to 1 minute candle, which means that anytime the price form, each candlestick is forming a 1 minute candle. Okay, so right now, the first way, like I said, that the first way to trade binary option is trade 1 minute candle with 1 minute expiry time. Now you go to this level here, to this area here, you see that we have the expiry time. The expiry time can be 5 seconds, can be 15 seconds, can be 30 seconds, can be 1 minute, 3, 5, 30, 1 hour, or 4 hour. Or you can lightly set it to any. You click this plus sign to increase the minute. Okay, you can set it to 2 minutes, you can set it to 10 minutes, you can set it to 15 minutes. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is the first way to trade binary option and make profit there is that you can trade the 1 minute candle with a 1 minute expiry time. You can see that my expiry time is a 1 minute. Okay, which means that I have to predict the candle, a 1 minute candle. Okay, so the second way is using the same 1 minute candle, then also using the different expiry time. Starting can be 3 minute expiry time, can be 5 minute expiry time, it can be 15 minute expiry time. These are the two ways you can trade binary option. Okay, so you see that most of my YouTube video trading binary option is based on using the 1 minute candle with a 1 minute expiry time. Okay, so one thing you should know about trading is that you have to focus on the price movement. Okay, you have to focus on the price movement because we have two players in the market. We have the buyers, we have the sellers. So as you can see, the buyers are indicated as the green candle and the sellers are indicated as the red candle. So if you see sometime you have a strong candle, a strong red candle, it means that there's so many selling pressure in the market that sellers are available. Same thing goes to the buyers. If you see a strong gray candle, it means the buyers are available in the market. But sometimes when you see a weak candle, take a look at the example of this. We have this weak green candle. Okay, it seems that the buyers are very weak, so sellers has to enter the market and push the price down. Okay, same thing goes to sellers. Okay, we have this small weak red candle, so it indicates that at any moment the buyers are ready to enter the market. Okay, so whenever, that doesn't mean that whenever you see weak candle, it means a sign of reversal. Okay, sometimes weak candle can be a sign of continuation. Okay, so you just have to understand the market. Okay, so they also, like I said, there are two ways to trade binary option. Is either you use the 1 minute candle with 1 minute expiry time, or you can use 5 minute candle. You can choose the 5 minute candle with 5 minute expiry time, or anyone you like to choose. Okay. Also, your expiry time can be the same expiry time, the candle period. Okay. You can use the 1 minute candle. If you are trading 5 minute candle, you can use 5 minute expiry time. So the second way, like I said, that you can trade binary option is using the 1 minute candle with multiple, or let's say more than 1 minute expiry time. So your 1 minute candle, your trade will close either 3, 4, 5, or 10 or 15 expiry time. So when you're trading 1 minute candle, you use the candlestick psychology. Okay, you use this candlestick psychology. What I mean by candlestick psychology, first you have to define what is candlestick. Then second, define what is psychology. Okay, define what is candlestick, and second, define what is psychology. When I'm talking about candlestick psychology, we are talking about the behavior of buyers and sellers in the market. Like I said some minutes ago, that we have two players in the market. We have the buyers, we have the sellers. So the candlestick psychology will help you to determine that okay, these are the buyers, these are the sellers. Okay, the sellers are available in the market, the buyers are now are available in the market. Okay, then if you are trading the 1 minute candle with 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minute expiry time, so maybe you can make use of what we call the smart money concept. Okay, the smart money concept. So because that is the analysis I always use whenever I'm trading the 5 minutes expiry time or 15 minute expiry time or 10 minute expiry time in the binary option using the 1 minute candle. Okay, I make use of the smart money concept. Okay, like it's a very simple technical analysis. Okay, because in the chart there are three types of trend in the market. The first trend is the uptrend. If you see market moving like this, so we have this as the uptrend, the impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective. Second trend is the downtrend. If market is moving like this down, we have the impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective, impulsive corrective. Then the third trend is the sideways. Okay, market is not trending in this kind of situation, but it's moving a sideways. It's ranging. They swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. So these are the three type of trend in the market. Okay, now the first thing you have to consider is that you have to look for, if you are trading 1 minute candle, you have to look for what we call um, the key area of support and resistance. Key area of support. What I mean by key area of support is that you look for possible level the market is likely to reverse. Okay, take a look at this example here. Okay, so let's assume I want to take trade in this area here. What I'm going to do is I come down here with drawings. I choose either the horizontal lines or the rectangle box. So here in this kind of situation, let's say I'm using the horizontal line. So if I want to take trade here, I have to look for where the sellers are waiting and where the buyers are waiting. Okay, so that is when I have to take my trade. If you watch my YouTube video, I always trade on key levels. Okay, I don't just take trade randomly. I have to analyze the market. Once the price has approached the level I expect it to reverse, then I can easily execute the trade. Take a look at this. If you look at this area here, we have what we call sellers area. What I mean by sellers area, I'm talking about where there's so much sellers in the market. Take a look here. Okay, can see here the buyers push the price to this level and sellers entered. Again, sellers entered. Again, sellers entered, and again, sellers entered. If you look at this candle break the level, but still sellers still push the price down. So in that kind of situation, this is how I'm going to draw the level. Okay, I'm going to draw the level like this, the zone. Then I will now extend it to the right side. I will extend it to the right side. So which means that anytime the price approach this area, then I'm going to execute the trade. So take a look. Let me use the trend line, use the horizontal line instead of, okay, because that is where the sellers are waiting to sell the market. Okay, I have to draw it this way. This broker is quite different from IQ option. So in IQ option, I can draw the zone perfectly, but this I have to be careful because sometimes this is not so accurate as IQ option. So IQ option is still the best binary broker. Okay, so here you have to look at if the price touch this level, we should execute the trade. Okay, but you can see in this situation here, the market did not reach the level, but instantly sellers already touched the level because we have this strong green candle that break this the first line here, and the sellers entered immediately. So if you have to look at it very well, you always notice that whenever a strong green candle form that engulf the bearish candle, it seems to be the price is likely to reverse at any moment. Okay, so that is why we have this candle that rejects from that zone, and sellers start to push the price down. Again, the second time the price visit that level, what happened? The candle closed exactly at the first line, but there was no sign the sellers are likely to enter. If you look on the left side here, you see so many signs here, rejection, rejection, but this candle here, no sign. But when the sellers, buyers entered again for 1 minute, we have the sign here. You can see the rejection. You can see the rejection above this green candle. That is why sellers were able to enter. So if you are trading 1 minute candle with 1 minute expiry time, you have to wait for the price to close inside this zone. And if you execute the trade, you have already won the trade here. Wait for the price to close inside the zone like this. Wait for rejection, confirmation, then open the trade. So that is how you trade binary option using the 1 minute candle with 1 minute expiry time. Now take a look at this. You know, there are some time whenever you execute the trade, the market doesn't respect the zone, or whenever you draw the level, the market rate doesn't respect the zone. Just watch this. You have to understand why the market doesn't respect zone. Okay, just watch at this. Look at this area here. The price reject from this level, the buyer start entering the market. So if I'm going to draw the zone, I'm going to start from here. Okay, from this low, then my second line should be here. Okay, my second line should be here. So which means that from this low and here we have so many weak sellers at this area, and then buyers start entering the market. So which means that if the sellers entered inside this line, we execute the trade. But you have to confirm, you have to understand the market movement. Okay, you have to understand the market movement. Market cannot just reverse at the key level just like that. No, you have to understand why the market is not going to reverse. Watch my YouTube video, sometimes predict market like that. Okay, you can see here, you can see when the price come to this level, first we have rejection, second we have rejection here, and here also we have a strong candle. There was no sign of buyers to enter the market, but instead the price continued to break the level to the downside. Now the market has now come back to this level, facing the zone once again. So what are you going to do in this kind of situation? Observe. Observation is very much important while trading binary option. I can see some rejections from sellers. Okay, so which means I'm going to execute the trade with lower option. Okay, so this is a 1 minute candle, and my expiry time is also 1 minute expiry time. Okay, also here you can change the amounts, but this is just as an explanation. This is not my real live trading video. Okay, so let's see what happened. As you can see, the with this the sellers are entering the market. Okay, because this level here was buyers level, but there was no sign of buyer. Sellers break the level. So when sellers break the level, that indicates that the market is likely to visit the zone once again. Once the price visits the zone once again, that means that um, the sellers owns the level. So when the price reach the level, I see confirmation here. The confirmation here indicate there was a sign of rejection from sellers. Sign of rejection of sellers. So as a candlestick as candlestick psychology says, you have to observe the candlestick that form at the zone. Where if you look at this look like let's say a shooting star candle, because candlestick You must combine, if you are trading candlestick psychology, using the candlestick psychology strategy. First thing first, find a key level. This key level as can be your support or resistance, can be your supply on demand, it can be your fair value gap. Okay. Once you find the zone, wait for the price to reach the level. Then observe the current price movement. Like if the price movement is very strong in a downside, that means the market is likely to reverse or continue. Okay. But if it's too weak or not that strong, it means that the price also can either reverse or continue. So this next thing you have to consider is the candlestick that close inside the zone. The candlestick that close inside the zone. Okay, is it a bullish candle? Yes. If it is a bullish candle, let's see what is the name of this candle and what is exactly the candle is telling us about. The candle here indicates a shooting star because it also have a lower rejection, and the candle also has the upper rejection. So the upper rejection is much stronger than the lower rejection, showing a sign of shooting star pattern. Okay, and this candlestick also closed inside the zone, so it seemed to be a sign of reversal. That is why I took a buy a sell option. Okay, I buy a put option, I go with lower, and sellers entered and push the price down. Okay, so when you are trading binary option, observe so many things. Okay, this is just like executing the 1 minute trade, 1 minute candle. So if I have to wait again to see if the price will come again to this level. Once the price come to this level the second time, I must observe how the price reach the level. If the price reach the level with a rejection or with a momentum, I know what to do next. Okay. For instance, if the market reach the level with a strong momentum, it seems to be the market is now likely to reverse again from the zone, because this zone has already been terminated and has already been uh, used. So it might not reverse from the zone. But according to the trend, the market is still in a downtrend. In a downtrend, sometimes whenever you are trading in a downtrend, the market is not likely to reverse or respect any level in a downtrend, such as something like this. Um, okay, we have something like this. You can see this movement right here. These are impulsive move. Sometimes the impulsive move doesn't respect any of this level. And once the price break any of those level, that's what we call break of structure. The price break the structure. Because sometimes if the price is moving like this, okay, if the price is moving like this, I think sometimes the price are supposed to respect this level. Okay, the price reach the level, supposed to respect the level, then push higher. Okay, but if the price did not do that and continue to push downward, after you draw the zone, the price continue to push downward. We call this kind of pattern break of structure, BOS. Okay, BOS, break of structure. So BOS. So that indicates a sign of bearish movement. So whenever you see a sign of bearish movement, once the price break the bearish movement, this is where I likely to enter the trade. Okay, the price sometime might come back to this level, because if you extend the line to the right side, the price might sometimes come back to this level and reverse. But I don't always rely on this level. What I rely most is the major level the price supposed to reverse. The price can reverse at this level, or it can also reverse at this level. Okay, okay, because sometimes this level is kind of, let's say, a supply zone is here, supply zone is here, fair value gap can be also here, or let's say some uh minor supply zone can also be here. Okay, but these are the major area I can expect the market to reverse. Okay, so what I need to do is this. Now observe this, check out this. Okay, if I draw, okay, let me remove this line. Okay, as you can see, the market is approaching downside. Then I draw a single line. I draw a single line starting from here, and I extend it to this level. Well, as you can see, you we all expect the price to we all expect the price to reach this level. We all expect the price to reach this level and reverse to the upside, but nothing like that happened. So the price continue to push downward and break the level. So if I want to decide to take the trade as a put option, these are where I can consider a put option, okay, or a lower option entry, okay, okay. I can consider a lower option trade here, okay. I can say, okay, I can decide that price might come to this level, then I execute the trade, or this level, okay, or this level, or okay. Then also there is what we call a hidden supply here, hidden supply and demand. But in this case, there is a hidden supply here because if you observe this candlestick, this candlestick got a rejection from buyers. This candlestick got a rejection from buyers, and there was no sign of buyers. And then this candle break the line. Then also this candlestick also has a upper rejection, which means that between this lower rejection and this upper rejection from the candle, we have a hidden supply and demand. Okay, we have a hidden supply around this area. So that's why this candle also close inside the zone and then reverse to the downside. So what I mean hidden supply and demand, if you look at let's say uh, 30 minutes, 30 seconds, sorry, let's say 30 seconds, okay, 30 seconds, what we have here, a small green candle, okay, that is the other block. If you look at 15 seconds, okay, let's see. Also, we can see this is what I'm talking. Okay, I think 50 second will give you a better explanation on the zone. Okay, 15 second, I can see the zone right here. I can see the zone. Okay, I can see the zone right here. So this is 15-second chart. I can see the zone right because we have this bullish candle followed by red, then the first attempt, now the second attempt. The strong candle goes inside the level, then sellers start to push the price down. So that is the 15 seconds. So let's say now we are trading 1 minute. Okay, you can see that I didn't confirm on 50 seconds. I only knew that it's going to happen because I've already saw this. I can see this lower rejection and this upper rejection. It means that there's a sign the market is likely to reverse here. Okay, lower rejection here indicate that there's a buyers that have already entered the market, while this upper rejection indicate that the market have already tested the zone. So if the market has already tested the zone, well, I have to rely on the next movement, on the next price movement to that level. Okay, if the price now close inside the level, inside the zone with a rejection, then definitely sellers will enter. Okay, so that is how you can trade 1 minute candle. You can also use this aspect to trade the 1 minute candle with a 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15-minute expiry time, because it seems the price is still going down. Let's assume I'm using the 5 minute expiry time. Take a look at this level. Here have this rejection, then sellers entered. Let's say the next candle is the first candle, second candle, fourth, third candle, fourth candle, then fifth candle. You have already won the trade. Your entry is right here. Your entry is here. So this is the first candle, second candle, third candle, fourth candle, fifth candle. So you have already won the trade. Okay. Or if you are using the 10 minute expiry time, it's still the same. You have already still won the trade. The first candle, second candle, third candle, fourth candle, fifth candle, sixth candle, seventh, eighth, nine, 10. You still won the trade. Okay. So I will recommend that anytime you are trading using the smart money concept, or let's say price action, you can make use of the 5 minute expiry time or 15-minute expiry time. Okay, 5 minute expiry time, 15-minute expiry time, or you can choose 10. Okay, but I prefer you choosing the 5 minute expiry time with a 15-minute expiry time using the 1 minute candle. Okay, so that is how you make profit in binary option. Also, if you trade like this, it will be easier for you to understand the price movement. But always wait, because buying option, you cannot just trade anyhow. If you trade anyhow, you are you will lose your trade. So don't trade anyhow in buying option. Observe, execute. Observe the market, execute the trade. Okay? If the market is going to reverse or not, observe it. If the market is not going to reverse or not, observe it. You have to observe. Patient. Wait patiently for the price to come to your expectation level. Wait patiently. Okay, I can also wait if the price might come to visit this zone and enter the trade, or this zone or this zone. Okay, so one thing about trading is that, not that you don't know how to trade, you know how to trade, but how to control yourself, that is the most problem. A lot of people will make a profit. Okay, like this account now. Okay, this is my first time trading a $5 account on this broker. Okay, I have not never deposit any amount. After the $5, I deposit to test the broker, to test this broker pocket option. Okay, pocket option, the minimum deposit is $5. So I have to test it to see uh, if this broker is good enough. Now I've seen the broker is good. I think I should able to uh, follow this broker. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that the minimum deposit to trade with this broker is $5. So once you deposit $5, you can deposit anything. So I started with $5 on this account. Now the amount I have in now is $31. Okay, $31. Well, despite I might have some loss in trade, but that doesn't mean I'm going to blow the account, because I have patience. Wait patiently for the price to reach the level and execute the trade. So okay, sometimes I may do any mistake, I may be wrong about my analysis, but instead I have to focus on what the market is going to do next. Okay, so I don't focus on the losses. I have to focus what the market is going to do next. So this is how you make profit in binary option. So you don't just trade anyhow. If you trade anyhow in binary option, you end up losing your money. So don't trade anyhow. Binary option is not something you trade anyhow. Because a lot of people, I can see that a lot of people are complaining. They deposit and they make some profits, but along the line, they end up losing or blowing their account. Well, that is when you are gambling. Okay, it's just like when you are gambling. That is exactly what it means to be gambling. Okay, if you enter a trade and you lost, if you enter a trade and you lost, well, consider finding the reason why you lost the trade. Then take action in your next trade and be careful on your next trade. But if you don't take action or be careful, or you are not careful on your next trade, you might end up blowing the account. Okay, you might end up blowing the account. So wait patiently. Patience is all you need to trade or to make profit in binary option. Draw the zone, draw the level, your support or resistance, wait for the price to reach the level. Don't assume, don't assume, okay? Don't assume. that the price is going to reach the level, then you continue to take the trade to that level. No, don't assume. If you assume, well, you are kindly gambling. Okay, don't assume. Wait for the price to reach level, observe, then execute your trade. That is how you make profit in binary option. Okay, I hope this video makes sense. So um in case you have anything to request, okay, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you want any one-on-one training, okay, if you want one-on-one training, just check my contact details in the video description. Okay, check my contact details, my WhatsApp, my Telegram, also my uh or you can send me an email. Okay, check my contact details in the video description, so you can ask me anything, or if you need any one-on-one trading or one-on-one training. Okay, okay, see you guys in my next video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.